Hi, this is Scarlett Sanders, and today I'm going to talk about some lesser known rights of indie musicians. Moral rights are exclusive rights and are not transferable in contract. They stay with the right owner even after any transfer of economic rights. In many countries, however, they can be waived in contract, which means that the author or performer may agree in the publishing or recording agreement that he or she will not assert his or her moral rights. While nearly every publisher and phonogram producer will insist on the inclusion of this waiver if the law allows, it may be possible to insert other wordings in the contract which goes some way towards obliging the publisher or phonogram producer to produce some of the aspects of moral rights, such as being credited where possible. The term copyright or related right protection is governed by what is known as national treatment. This means that although the country of nationality of the author or performer may have reciprocal agreements with other countries via international treaties, the term of protection in a foreign country is usually limited to the term of protection in that foreign country. National treatment between countries can be quite complex sometimes, and ROST, the rule of the shorter term, may need to be taken into account, so it would be a good idea to do some research to obtain certainty. In the United States, however, the term of protection would be 95 years. If the recording was deemed to be a work made for hire under the US law, or lifetime of the last surviving performer on the recording plus 70 years if it was not a work made for hire. The same recordings will still be protected until 2052, which is 95 years from first release in that territory, or even longer if they are not regarded as works made for hire. In the digital era, there is some tension between moral rights and rights of remuneration. The creative process of mashups, wherein an artist puts together several existing recordings and manipulates and blends them with perhaps some new parts, is becoming an art form in itself. Sometimes these mashups and remixes are created live, either for a performance in front of an audience or for a live broadcast. In such circumstances, it is therefore impossible to obtain the appropriate permissions in advance. Some authors and performers are quite relaxed about this, whereas the others feel very strongly that their moral rights are being violated. I'm going to talk more about this subject in my next post.